you very much for your presentation. Isao, welcome at our conference. You have to unmute your microphone.
Yes.
Okay.
Can
we
you hear
can start.
Me?
Yes, we can.
Oh, okay.
We can start
Great.
the discussion. The first question in the Q&A chat. There was a question related to one specific slide. The question is, why did you classify compounds on the convex hull as chemically relevant? The question is motivated by often metastable compounds above the complex hull are technologically relevant and even more important for chemical applications, as they are typically more active.
Yep, I read that question, and that is absolutely right. Some of the metastable compound are actually existent and quite useful. And this CRC, chemical relevant composition, is actually not easy to define clearly because some of the metastable compound are existent. And some of the compound on the convex hull at 0 Kelvin, quite often we are not able to synthesize that. So we are based on experimental data set in ICSD. Therefore, that is based on experimental data. So we try to find out something similar to the existing compounds. But if we want to compare with our result to the DFT result, well, DFT can only provide a convex hull. And of course, it is possible to define something 5 millieV above the convex hull to be the chemical relevant composition, but that is still quite artificial. So it is not clearly defined, but it is a useful compound, at least concept, at least for the experimentalists, I think. That is definition of CS.
All right, thank you. A second question by Sandeep. Often for the same chemical formula, multiple phases exist and only one or a few can be synthesized. How do you take that into account for your recommender system?
Well, in our recommender system, we do not take into account the structure at the present moment. So if there are 2 or 3 party types registered in ICSD, we took everything. So we do not distinguish. We do not distinguish at the present moment even the high pressure phase. And at the very high pressure, some compound are synthesized. Then it is recorded, registered in ICSD, and it was used as a training set. So according to our recommender system, it predicts something, but probably it is the only high pressure phase and not possible to be synthesized at ordinary pressure. But it is just a possibility. Then, therefore, we need some experimental confirmation.
Thank you very much.